Well, Bob, we are not worrying about getting rain today. We've had plenty as of now. We have not hit all that we need for the drought.
Right. Yeah, it's going to take a while to get bring that back. But the things are looking very, very good as far as fire danger goes. Fires spread rapidly when that duff layer is really dry, and it's not now.
Not right now.
It's good. It could go back to that real quickly, but not in the foreseeable future. We're talking a lot of rainfall. We're maybe 2 to 4 inches in a widespread area. You'll see that in just a little bit, just over the next 48 hours. Here are some photos sent in and some pictures. This one from Casey Key webcam, actually. The showers and storms around this morning were pretty heavy, right around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then again they came back late in the afternoon with some moderate to heavy rainfall moving on in. Not the best beach day, as you can see, hardly any sunshine at all. And pretty scary at one point. Funnel clouds and water spouts sighted on Siesta Key. This one coming from Greg Gregory as the water spout was trying to develop. This is different than the water spouts that we see with cold fronts that move through. Those are a little bit more intense, and they maintain their organization and hold on a little bit longer. And these are hard to detect by the radar imagery as well. Greg Gregory, appreciate that. Keep your photos coming to pics@mysuncoast.com. Weather headlines. Well, more storms again on Tuesday. Beginning later tonight, continuing through Tuesday. It's going to be an on again and off again event. A front arrives on Wednesday. That front will be a player right through Thursday. And then more moisture expected for the weekend as some tropical moisture and another little disturbance moves in. So this rain event is not over. I feel kind of sorry for the folks that are vacationing down here this week. It's been cloudy over the weekend. It's going to be cloudy again tomorrow. And you can see some big storms starting to fire up here already just to the south and west of us, moving to the northeast. So we're in for this. And that rain will be moderate to heavy at times beginning late tonight and throughout the day on Tuesday, with some breaks now and again in terms of the rainfall. But right now, light rain falling in parts of Manatee and into Sarasota near Venice and Northport. Getting a few sprinkles there. Not a lot of heavy rainfall right now, but as I mentioned, this area really starting to fire up, indicating that there's a piece of energy out here which will have some showers and some embedded thunderstorms in it tonight and tomorrow morning. Well, here's some rainfall totals. They're sporadic, but generally most everyone had at least 3/10 of an inch up to 1 1/3 inches right there at Siesta Key and near downtown Sarasota. That's just today within the last 12 hours. If you look over the course of the last few days, some areas getting nearly 2 to 4 inches of rainfall already, and with more on the way. There's another piece of energy back here which will kind of move around into the east, and this will send that front our way on Wednesday, and that front will kind of hang and waffle back and forth right across the South Florida area with plenty of energy and moisture in the atmosphere. It'll kick off more showers. Then the best day for what could be some sunshine will be Friday. Friday is the least chance for rainfall as we make our way through the next 7 days. 75 degrees right now. There's a little bit of a clear skies, not much though, mostly cloudy skies, east to southeast winds at 7, and the pressure has been rising slightly. 79, well below the average for the high today. The record high 95, set in 89. Look at that, the airport getting over 1.5 inches just today, and that brings our monthly total over 1.5 inches above average. And now we're just 3¼ inches behind the normal for this year. So we've really picked up into late May and now into June, and looks like Tuesday we're going to see showers and storms around. Pretty good chance of that happening scattered about throughout the day. I think tomorrow's storms may be a little stronger too, so we'll have to watch that as the wind will be strong. Small craft advisories are in effect, and rip currents will be a problem for area beachgoers. And I know a lot of surfers like to get out there and surf. Make sure you have a buddy system with you and try to do it near the lifeguards if there are going to be lifeguards out there at all. And as far as the satellite and radar imagery goes, there's that low pressure spin right there, which will continue to pinwheel some energy our way right through the weekend and beyond. And the RPM forecast model showing the showers and storms around. Again, here comes that front on late Tuesday afternoon, and then it stays there on Wednesday. A little energy works around it and moves through on Wednesday morning. So yes, this is not over by any stretch. I mentioned 2 to 4 inches of additional rainfall can be anticipated across the Suncoast in spots over the next 48 hours. Southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet, and the water temperature at 84. Look for nasty conditions out there for boaters. Low tide upcoming 6:23. Just in a few minutes, a high tide at 12:08. Tonight, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and storms redeveloping, and more rain tomorrow. Showers and storms are in the forecast, and it will be breezy. The extended forecast 90% on Tuesday, 70 on Wednesday. It slackens a little bit Thursday and Friday, then it's back up for the weekend with more rain in sight.